the future of technology, exploring multi-device access, machine learning, and more. Machine learning, the future of artificial intelligence. Machine learning is the future of artificial intelligence. It is a technology that enables machines to learn from data, experience, and improve over time. It is already being used in various industries such as healthcare, finance, and manufacturing. Machine learning is being used to automate and optimize processes, identify patterns, and make predictions. This technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we live and work. One of the key benefits of machine learning is its ability to analyze and learn from large amounts of data. This enables machines to make predictions and decisions that are more accurate and reliable than those made by humans. For example, machine learning algorithms can be used to predict which patients are at risk of developing a disease, which stocks are likely to perform well, and which products are likely to sell. Another benefit of machine learning is its ability to adapt and learn in real time. This means that machines can adjust their behavior based on new data and feedback. For example, self-driving cars use machine learning to adapt to changing road conditions and traffic patterns. Multi-device access. Seamlessly connecting humans and machines. Multi-device access is the ability to access and use the same data and applications across multiple devices. This technology is becoming increasingly important as more people use multiple devices, such as smartphones, tablets, and laptops, to access the internet and work. Multi-device access enables people to work more efficiently and effectively by providing them with a seamless experience across all their devices. One of the key benefits of multi-device access is its ability to improve collaboration and communication. For example, team members can work on the same document or project from different devices, and changes are automatically synced across all devices. This enables teams to work more efficiently and effectively, regardless of their location or device. Another benefit of multi-device access is its ability to provide a personalized experience for each user. For example, a user can start a task on their smartphone and continue it on their laptop, without having to start over. This improves the user experience and makes it easier for people to work on the go. Holographic data storage, the future of data storage. Holographic data storage is a technology that uses holograms to store data. It has the potential to revolutionize the way we store and access data, as it can store significantly more data than traditional storage methods. Holographic data storage is already being used in some industries, such as healthcare and finance, and has the potential to be used in many other areas. One of the key benefits of holographic data storage is its ability to store large amounts of data in a small space. This means that it can be used to store large amounts of data in a small device, such as a smartphone or tablet. This enables people to carry more data with them, without having to worry about running out of space. Another benefit of holographic data storage is its durability. Holographic storage media can last for decades, and is resistant to water, dust, and other environmental factors. This means that data can be stored safely for long periods of time, without the risk of it being lost or damaged. Autonomous driving, the future of transportation. Autonomous driving is a technology that enables vehicles to drive themselves, without the need for human intervention. It has the potential to revolutionize the way we travel, by making it safer, more efficient, and more convenient. Autonomous driving technology is already being used in some industries, such as logistics and transportation, and has the potential to be used in many other areas. One of the key benefits of autonomous driving is its ability to improve safety. Autonomous vehicles are designed to be safer than human-driven vehicles, as they can react faster and more accurately to changing road conditions. This means that accidents and fatalities can be reduced, making roads safer for everyone. Another benefit of autonomous driving is its ability to improve efficiency. Autonomous vehicles can optimize their routes and speed, based on real-time traffic and weather data. This means that travel times can be reduced, and fuel consumption can be minimized. A future with alien civilizations, virtual reality, and computer vision. The future of technology is full of exciting possibilities. Some of these possibilities include the discovery of alien civilizations, the widespread use of virtual reality, and the development of advanced computer vision technology. The discovery of alien civilizations would be one of the biggest discoveries in human history. It would open up new possibilities for exploration and discovery, and could lead to advancements in science and technology. Virtual reality technology is already being used in some industries, such as gaming and entertainment, and has the potential to be used in many other areas. It could be used to create immersive training experiences, or to provide virtual tours of historical sites or landmarks. Computer vision technology is already being used in some industries, such as healthcare and manufacturing, and has the potential to be used in many other areas. It could be used to improve security, by detecting and identifying potential threats. It could also be used to improve healthcare, by detecting and diagnosing medical conditions more accurately and quickly. In conclusion, the future of technology is full of exciting possibilities. Machine learning, multi-device access, holographic data storage, and autonomous driving are just a few of the technologies that are already shaping our future. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more exciting developments, such as the discovery of alien civilizations, the widespread use of virtual reality, and the development of advanced computer vision technology. The possibilities are endless, and the future is bright. Filelu Cloud Storage is one of the most secure and reliable cloud storage providers in the market. It offers a range of premium plans at affordable prices, ranging from 256 GB to 500 TB. With Filelu, users can enjoy large file transfer capabilities, allowing them to send files up to 250 GB in size. Filelu also provides encryption file sharing, ensuring that your data is always safe and secure. Sign up for Filelu Cloud Storage today and experience the future of data storage.